Hi everyone, in front of me I've got iPhone 15 and let me share with you how to change video resolution on this device. So let's start with opening the camera app, and since we are in the standard photo mode, we have to switch to the video one. So let's tap on it. And as you can see in the right upper corner, we've got the options which are connected with the resolution, with the quality. So all we have to do is to tap on this HD. So the HD resolution is currently applied. After tapping on it, we can set 4K, and we've got only two different options, so the HD and 4K. Of course, if you want to, you can also change the frames per second rate. As you can see, we've got three different options, so the 24, 30 and 60. It's up to you. Whenever you can see this information here, it means that the resolution has been applied, and from now on your device will record the videos in chosen resolution. Alright, so that will be all. Thank you so much for watching. I hope that this video was helpful, and if it was, please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.